Welcome to Nihongo Quiz. Are you ready to test your katakana reading skills? In this quiz, we'll show you 10 Japanese words written in katakana, and you have to choose the correct meaning. Each question has 4 choices, and you'll have 5 seconds to pick the right answer. Keep track of your score and challenge yourself to get all 10 right. Ready? Let's begin. What does this katakana word mean?
Time's up!
The correct answer is hamburger or hamburger. What does this word mean?
Time's up!
The correct answer is pizza. What does this katakana word mean?
Time's up!
The correct answer is juice. What does this word mean?
Time's up!
The correct answer is chocolate. Do you know what this word means?
Time's up!
The correct answer is button. Halfway there. How well are you doing? Next word. What does this mean?
Time's up!
The correct answer is sheet. What does this word mean?
Time's up!
The correct answer is elevator or elevator. What does this word mean?
Time's up!
The correct answer is goat. Last 2. Better get them right.
Time's up!
The correct answer is calendar or calendar. What is this katakana word?
Time's up!
The correct answer is menu. That's the end of our katakana quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next challenge. See you there!